Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Tonight, we're exploring the city of Mosul, and believe me, this city has a completely different vibe after the sun goes down. The streets are alive, the lights are glowing, and there's something really magical about the night here. So, let's dive in and see what Mosul looks like after dark. Our first stop tonight is this beautiful street that's famous for its local photographer. He takes amazing portraits of people, and the best part, you get your photo in just a few minutes. The whole street is covered in soft pink lights and decorated so beautifully. It's one of those places where you just want to slow down, take a deep breath, and enjoy the atmosphere. Here is a small sample of the photographer's work. I think he did a good job with the photos. Next, we're heading to one of my favorite local spots, a restaurant known for its fresh fish. And when I say fresh, I mean it. The fish is caught the same day and grilled right here over an open fire. The smell, the sound, the taste, everything about this place is authentic. This is how locals enjoy dinner, and I can't wait to show you more.
Smack. Woohoo!
Das ist richtig gut. Ja. Nein. Peter, wir gucken Brot, was die machen. Die machen Brot direkt hier. Richtig geil. هذا الأكل فتشي توب. Yeah. Grill da jetzt. Soll ich ausmachen? So, wie jetzt runtergehen?
ما عندي
ما نقولوش لا مو غادي حجي انا عوائل سلام عليكم تعال
So, Peter.
هذا السيارة جميل.
Geiler Auto. Guck mal, die auch. اوه نصور له حتى من يبدأ. Peter, schön hier, oder? Schön. Ja, die Straße komplett genauso, bis Ende. Willst du dahin oder willst du hier? Da oben, okay.
Of course, one of the best parts of traveling is sharing these moments with friends. There's something special about gathering around a table, enjoying delicious food, and creating memories together. And tonight is exactly that. Good food, good vibes, and great company. And to end the night, we're doing something really special. Right next to the restaurant, by the river, you can hop on a small boat. The driver will take you on a relaxing ride along the water, and honestly, it's the perfect way to wrap up an evening in Mosul. The lights reflecting on the river, the cool night breeze. It's peaceful, it's beautiful, and it's a side of the city that not many people get to see. Thank you guys for coming along on this night adventure. If you enjoyed exploring Mosul with me, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more travel stories from around the world. See you in the next one.